just they have our MES system.
That's the application.
All production line information. I did a video to show you.
Huh?
This is the safety car.
These are the batteries.
In China, manufacturers, it's not included the first one, the first part, you know.
Not
Because the
included.
first part is very expensive.
Okay. But this is the batteries, right?
Yeah,
Or what?
the cell.
First.
Or use the A-grade cell from IEPT. It's the pickup. And this is our local car to grab the cells and together become a
Put it together. And this here are the complete.
This is a waterproof IP65, 10 kilowatt hour.
10 kilowatt hour.
Yes.
This is in both inverter and battery or just
No,
battery?
only battery.
Only battery, 10 kilowatt.
That's the
Waterproof.
One, that's the one we are seeing in the showroom, the wall mounted.
That's one.
We can make a different color and the green color also. 出了吗？
这个前面的液冷系统有问题，再重新再搞。
This is 1 megawatts,
这个液冷系统搞完的话，就写在这里。
1000 kilowatt.
这个差不多半个20。
This is 1 megawatt, 1 unit. It's a monster. A whole unit. 1 megawatt. It's all 1 megawatt in a 20-footer container.
这边还有电器。
This is a monster right here. One hell of a power.
And the back side is the Lowe's room.
Right there.
Back side. That's the logo. We're not sure.
Oh, we're not gonna show. Oh, yeah. And the back side.
这边一个电器房。
So this is all like back is the cooling system and all that, right? Or what? Yeah. This is a monster.
现在就是需要这个东西。
And this is liquid cooling as well, right?
Yeah.
It's beginning stage of the installation and the finished product right there. One megawatt. So 20-footer container. Or 240,
140.
240, yeah.
看它这个 compressed into the 1,000 kilowatt hour.
1 unit.
刚才那个静默式就放在这边。
This is now this is gonna be what? How many kilowatt is this one?
1,000.
Another one this is the beginning process of building it, right?
Yeah.
Not complete build yet.
Yeah.
So this is a process of building. The complete one I showed you earlier. Now here's the one just in beginning stage.
Yeah.
You could see everything's just been put in.
And earlier we have seen in the new tech, in the factory. And
Yeah.
we put this.
The
put
hydrogen.
them in this. Yeah.
This one will be hydrogen instead of
现在还在那边。
liquid.
Yeah. Carbon
Yeah,
hydrogen.
carbon hydrogen
Yeah.
cooling system instead of liquid cooling system, but not done yet. Beginning stage.